How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today I wanted to quickly show you guys how you can claim the best available discount for Hostinger, and I'll also briefly talk a little bit about Hostinger in case you're not sure what it's all about. Okay, so all you need to do is click the link in the description and it'll basically trigger a website-wide discount that will apply to everything. So you'll be getting 3 extra months for free with the shared hosting plan as well as the cloud hosting plan. With VPS, you're just going to be getting a discount, but with most of the other hosting types, you'll be getting 3 months for free. Although keep in mind that if you go to the, let's just say, regular shared web hosting, you're not going to be getting the 3 months for free, just a discount with a single one. But anything premium and above, you'll be getting the 3 extra months. Of course, the longer term plan is going to save you more in the long term. So you probably want to go with that if you're looking to save as much as possible. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee still in case, maybe you change your mind during the first 30 days. Now, if I were to describe Hostinger itself, I'd say it's a very affordable web hosting provider that caters to many users from beginners to advanced individuals. It's got a very friendly user interface. It also specializes in WordPress hosting, and it's got advanced features that makes it suitable for bloggers, e-commerce, small businesses, larger businesses, developers, and personal users. And you've got multilingual support and data centers all over the world. So if you're looking for a very reliable hosting provider, then Hostinger is definitely a great choice. Now, of course, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about Hostinger, you'll find a full review down below. And of course, the discount will be linked below as well. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything web hosting. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.